Hello to all the woodworkers out there. You probably already know our corded and cordless M-class miter saws with their wide range of possibilities. I will now show you some clever details of these machines. Before you can get started, of course you always have to bring the saw to its place of use. For this purpose, our machines have ergonomic handles you can carry the machines very comfortably with one or both hands. For precise cuts, the correct mitre and bevel angles are crucial. You can set these very quickly and easily with the locking points for the most important angles, which you can activate with these levers. Also very important, lock the turntable. You can set the bevel angle using the easily accessible levers at the back of the machine. To activate the undercut function, just press this small button on the back. This lever is also used to activate the double bevel function on the KJS305M. If the angle of the fence to the saw blade does not fit right away, you can easily adjust it by loosening the screws on the back of the fence and using an appropriate angle. This also applies to the bevel angle. Simply loosen the fixing nut and adjust the stop screw for 45 and 0 degree. Now you should place the workpiece correctly in relation to the saw blade. Instead of the well-known laser line, we now have a solution that shows you exactly how your cut will run. You see a shadow line on the workpiece, a system we call PCL or Precision Cut Line. With this system, an LED light in the saw casts an exact shadow of the saw blade on the workpiece. You switch on the system and move the saw blade a few centimeters over the workpiece. And you can align the cut with the shadow line of the sawtooth. The system is not only more precise than a laser, it also has the advantage that you always have an exact shadow line automatically with every saw blade and do not have to adjust anything. In the case of the battery-powered machines, the LED switches off automatically after approximately 1 minute. To activate it again, simply briefly tap the main switch. You need a quick and easy groove cut? No problem. Just pull out the lateral cutting depth limiter and set the desired cutting depth and fix it with the locking nut. If you want to saw wider workpieces, the extendable table extensions will help you with clean material handling. For extremely long workpieces, however, even this pull-out option is sometimes not sufficient. You can then also simply remove the table extension of your new miter saws, put them together and place them freely in the room. If the pressure of the clamping levers for the table extension is ever insufficient, simply loosen the screw, fix in the lever and move the lever slightly. And if the table extensions no longer fit together securely, simply tighten or loosen this screw a little. Clamps are not very popular, because adjusting them can be annoying. Not with Metabo. Press the quick button to move the clamp freely and then tighten it. The clamping option from the front also makes it safe and easy to fix narrower workpieces such as moldings. I hope this video helps you to discover all the possibilities of our M-class miter saws, and of course I hope you enjoy working with them.